Yup. Do you want a food you can trust? Do you want a food you know obeys all the laws of physics? Well, I got something for you. Fig Newtons. One of Newton's laws says an object in motion stays in motion unless interrupted by an outside force. And we're going to test that with Fig Newtons. I love Fig Newtons, and sometimes I just gotta throw them. Look at it go. Now, as you saw, I threw that Fig Newton like there was no tomorrow, but let's see if it really stopped. If it really stopped. So we're at the scene of the crime. And if you look down with me right here in the grass, hold on. There it is. It's not in motion, guys, folks. It's still. I threw it, and now it's still. Newton's first law, everyone. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends on the force exerted upon it and the mass of the object. So we have a Fig Newton right here, okay? And so we're gonna push it. I'm gonna push it so it goes from here, wow, all the way over there. Wow, that's so far, right? Yeah. Okay. And so when a smaller person pushes it, let's get some action on there. Okay, so when a smaller person pushes it, it goes slower and also not as far. So Lara, push it. Wow, that was not far. It was not far at all. See, Newton's second law. Always cashing in. It really is cashing in. Cashing in. Now, the third and last law of Newton's set of laws states that when a force is applied to an object, there's an equal amount of force being applied in the opposite direction. So, like, for example, when you push a rock, the rock won't go as much because, it's a big rock, and also this force being pushed against your hand, right? So when I touch this Fig Newton and I go and I push it, the same amount of force will be pushed upon my finger, but my finger won't move because it's really small. So say I want to, I'm playing Smush the Newton with my friends, and I go, smush, wow, it's smushed, and there was force. It's hard to smush it because there's force being applied on my hand. And that, my fellow scientists, is Newton's third law and final law. That's the laws. And you should buy Newton's Fig Newtons because it's a great product. It's really good.